Hi everyone, I'm Rukia Mosa Tablico from PSHM2C. For today's video, we are going to answer the question of what are some of the current technological innovation that were featured in the film and how do they impact our day-to-day lives? Because last time, we watched the movie named Missing 2023 directed by Nicholas D. Johnson and Will Merrick. In the Missing movie, effectively showcase how modern technologies shape our lives, reflecting both their advantage and challenges, from smartphones and video calls to digital forensics and facial recognitions. These innovations are deeply embedded in our daily routines. While they provide significant benefits such as improved communication and enhanced security, they also pose risks related to privacy and data security. Understanding these technologies help us navigate their responsibility and make informed decisions about our digital lives. Moreover, technology has revolutionized industries such as healthcare, transportation, and education. These technologies also highlight the benefits and challenges of living in digitally connected world, influencing how we will communicate, manage personal information, and maintain security. That's all for today's video. Thank you po.